In November 2022, a quiet college town in Moscow, Idaho was shaken by a tragic crime. It quickly became one of the most talked about investigations in recent years. Four students from University of Idaho were found dead in an off-campus home. The case immediately drew nationwide attention. Investigators faced enormous pressure. At first, there were very few clear answers. No immediate suspect, no obvious motive, just a timeline that didn't quite make sense. But behind the scenes, detectives began piecing together something powerful: digital evidence. As the investigation unfolded, authorities started reviewing surveillance footage from neighborhoods around the crime scene. Several cameras captured a white sedan driving through the area multiple times late that night. The vehicle quickly became a key lead. Investigators then turned to another crucial tool: cell phone data. By analyzing phone records and tower pings, analysts identified devices near the house during the early morning hours. One phone in particular caught investigators' attention. It appeared to have traveled repeatedly near the area in the weeks before the crime. That device was later linked to Bryan Kohberger, a graduate student studying criminology. He was at Washington State University, just a few miles away in Pullman, Washington. But digital data alone wasn't enough. Investigators continued building their case carefully. They tracked vehicle registration records and reviewed more surveillance footage. They compared travel patterns between the phone data and the car sightings. According to investigators, the movements appeared to line up. Another major piece of the investigation involved DNA evidence. This helped connect key physical evidence to the suspect during the process. Authorities monitored Kohberger's movements for weeks while gathering evidence. Eventually, in December 2022, law enforcement tracked him across the country to Albrightsville, Pennsylvania. There, in the early morning hours, officers arrested him without incident. The case became a major topic in discussions about modern forensic technology. Digital footprints, from surveillance cameras to cell phone signals, are crucial. They help investigators reconstruct events with incredible detail. Today, the case continues to move through the legal system. The facts will ultimately be examined in court. It also raises an important question for the digital age. In a world filled with cameras, data, and technology, how much of our daily movement is actually being recorded? If you want more real crime investigations and stories about how technology is changing modern policing, make sure to subscribe for more true crime breakdowns.